Hello, this is Mr. Gbamu Idanogwene. I'm here to demonstrate another mechanism design for you. This time around is the rotary engine mechanism I want to demonstrate here. Though the rotary engine is no longer in use now and is being replaced by the gas turbine. But let me just show you the mechanism so that you see how it works. So this is the image. Let me upload it in Geogebra software. Okay, so that is this. So let me enlarge it. Okay, all right, so this is it. In this rotary engine you can see that there's a fixed crank here which is called link 2. So this fixed crank here is the one that rotates. As it keeps rotating, then it have a fixed point now where it's connected to these cylinders, to these various pistons in this cylinder. So as this fixed crank rotate around, this connecting rod will be connected to this cylinder. So we have about 7 of them, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see their center line from the center now down to the piston. Then we have connecting rods connecting the fixed crank to them. So I'd just like us to watch so that you see how this mechanism works, so that you understand it when you are explaining it to your student. So let me start also by getting my circle. So this is, let me get my fixed points somewhere here. Okay, let me use radius 1 this time around. Okay, yeah, then I need my point that will rotate. Okay, so that is, it is this point that will rotate. So this is the point that will be connected to the 7 pistons inside the cylinder, which is this very point, and that is this. Then let me get my segment. All right, okay, so that is that. Then now I need this large circle where we now divide into 7 different parts where my cylinders will be connected into. Now that's my pistons will slide along. Okay, so on that circle, the center will still come from here too. Let me get my circle here. Okay, let me use a radius of, let me use 2.5 in this case. Let me see. Okay, I think this is okay. So this circle is for this. All right, so let me see if I can divide it now. I can divide these 7 arms of this piston. So how do I do that? I just need some straight lines. So from here, okay, this one that is 7, let me see. Okay, let me put this here. Then let me put this here. 2. Okay, let me put this here. 3. Let me put this here. 4. Have this here. 5. Let's have this here. 6. Let's have this here. 7. Normally I'm supposed to space the angles between them equally, but let me just leave that since I'm not doing the animation to some calculation standard. I just want to demonstrate it just to see the picture how it works. If I want it to be uniformly distributed, the angles, I need to divide 360 degrees by 7, and I need to measure each of these angles so that it can be spaced equally. But I will still get it even if I didn't space it equally, but I'll just try and measure it so that it will look equally distributed from here to here. Okay, here, So I think I'm okay. Okay, this one looks bigger than the others. Okay. Alright, so I've gotten it now. So don't forget, this was my crank. This is the fixed crank. So this is the one that will rotate. Take note. That is that. So what I need now is simple. This crank now, I need a circle from it. Then the center of the circle will be this. Then I need a radius. Let me try radius 5 and see the length. Alright, I think radius 5 should be okay. Or let me reduce it. Let me undo it. Let me take radius 4.5. 4.5. Okay, so radius 4.5 should be okay. Then I need my point of intersection on each of these lines on this side. So very easy with that. All I need to do, click my intersect. So intersection of this line and this. So I need this one. Intersection of this circle and this. So all the 7 points that I need, intersection of this and this, intersection of this circle 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 and this. Alright. Okay, so now I need to hide the ones I don't need. So let me start with this small circle here. Just right click, show object, right click, show object. So okay, right click, show object. Okay, so let me remove, I don't need this one now. Right click this, show object. Okay, yeah, show object, right click, show object. So I need this to be connected to this. Alright, okay, there's something okay, I've gotten all I need, so there's nothing more. Okay, let me just hide the ones I don't need. So I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. Okay, so I've gotten 2.1, 2. So let me remove this. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. Okay, so this one also, I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. Okay, so here too, I don't need this also, show object. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. Okay, so this should be the next. Let me remove this. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this one, show object. I don't need this, show object. So this is my last here. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. I don't need this, show object. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so this is it. See the way they move around. See, because I didn't really place it evenly distributed, that's why it's like this. So all I need to do now is to connect my segment to each of them. So this to this, so this to this, this to this, this to this, and this one to this, and this to this, and this to this. Undo that. Then each of them you can put your trace, 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 and you put your trace. Alright, so animation done. Let me animate and let's see. Yes, so this is what we are talking about. See, so this is it. As it turns round, each of the piston will slide like this. See them? So this is the mechanism we are talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the main power. As it's going around, it's connected. The connecting rod of each piston is connected to this point. So it will go around like that. Let me see if I can put a sliding box. Let me stop it so that you can view it now. So to do that, I just made a circle. Let me take a circle of 0.5. Okay, 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 0.5. 0.5. Alright, let me just do a quick polygon here, just something like this. Just something like this. Let me just do it, though I'm not measuring it accordingly, just a demonstration so that you can see the mechanism. Let me undo this. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. So that is it. So let me just hide all those points I don't need. All the points I don't need. Especially the circle. Let me just hide the circles very fast. Let's hide the circles very fast. Hide the circle very fast. Okay. We hide the circle. Okay. Let me just hide all these points. Just right click each of the point and click on show object. You can do it fast, that you see how the slider will move. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm left with these two now. Okay, the last one. Okay, so this is a demonstration. Let's play the animation again so that you see. So this is what we are talking about. So this is how the rotary engine works. Then see each of the piston, they slide inside the cylinder. You can see them while the connecting rod is being connected to each of them. You see how each of them goes. A simple mechanism which you can do in this software. You can demonstrate it to your students. The Geogebra classic software is really a dynamic software that can help, especially our mathematicians and our mechanical engineer. You can use it to explain your design courses to your students. It's not a difficult software to use. You can see the way I'm doing this mechanism easily. Just a quick demonstration of this mechanism to your student, and they can catch you up very well. No need of asking questions about how does it work. They will be having some kind of imagination. By doing this simple mechanism, you can see that your students will easily understand what you are trying to explain. As the crank rotates, each connecting rod is connected to the cylinder, then to the piston now, and the piston, you see the way they slide. I just do this quick demonstration for easy understanding. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.